Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add a live chat to Shopify. If you want to try Shopify, you can use the link in the description or pinned comment to get a free trial plus 3 months for only $1 per month. It's a great way to follow this tutorial and test Shopify without paying full price right away. Just click the link below and create your store from there. You basically have two options. Okay, so the first option is by using the Shopify inbox, which is the fastest and the free option. Okay, the option 2 is that you can go ahead and connect a third-party live chat app, such as a Tidio, Gorgias, live chat, or even offsite WhatsApp. Okay, so just for this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you the easiest and fastest one, which is by using the Shopify inbox. So you need to go ahead and go to the left panel and click on apps right here. Now, all recommended apps, scroll all the way down, click on Shopify App Store, and then just wait for it to load. And once it loads, let's go to use the search bar and type down Shopify inbox. Okay, so go ahead and click on Shopify inbox right here, and then just basically click on install. Wait for a new page to load. And as you can see under our sales channel, Shopify inbox is trying to initialize. So if you want, you could go ahead and pin it to your navigation and then just wait for it. You could also get the mobile app, by the way. Just click on this button and scan the QR code. So basically, you would need to turn on the chat, okay, or the online store chat. Now this new page will load. Now you need to embed it to one of your themes. So as you can see here, by default, it is now available. And here we have it. So you can just go ahead and click on save if you want it, and then preview it, okay? Click on view. Now, when someone visits your website, and make sure that they have their shields disabled, as sometimes when you have ad blockers, you won't be able to see the chat. In some cases, you'll be able to see it. Write a message, hi. Now, before we get started, we need to go ahead and enter our first name and last name and start a chat. Okay? And there you have it. When you go ahead and go to your Shopify admin, under sales channel, click on inbox. As you can see, we now have one unread message. You can just go ahead and click on it. Click on your store. And here we have it. Hello. Let's go back to the chat. And here we have it. That's how simple it is to add a live chat to Shopify. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.